I put it to you that you do not need more skincare products. You only need understanding on how to use the ones that you already have. Hello, everybody. My name is Damilola. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, where have you been? I've been waiting to have you here. Please do not be a stranger. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I want to specifically address the people that have more than 30 skincare products in their stash. You might think I'm exaggerating, but I know them. They know themselves, so they know what I'm saying is for real. A lot of times, people have a lot of products. I'm talking about so many products, yet uh, they still have skin concerns. They still have things they are battling with. It looks as if it's not working. Those are the people that say these people's skin care is a scam. It's clinical. It's clinical. I'm here to tell you that calm down. We'll figure it out together, because I believe that you don't need more skincare products. You only need understanding and maybe knowledge on how to use the ones that you already accumulated. Let's do an audit of your stash, and yeah, stick around. The number one thing I would say, if you have a lot of products and it seems like nothing is working, is to be sure that you know your skin type. Because sometimes people just like to follow the crowd. This person has said this, you are doing it. This person has said that, you are doing it. Do you even know your skin type? Are you sure that the products you are getting are meant for you? Are you sure that you are treating your skin concerns? So what I would say is the first thing to know is to know your skin type. And in case you do not know your skin type, that's okay. A video will pop up now. It will help you to know your skin type, because guys, that is the foundation of having a healthy skincare. Okay, so yeah, make sure you watch it, make sure you know your skin type, and after that, make sure you also know your skin concerns. For your skin type, I mean, if your skin is oily, if it's dry, if it's combination, if it's normal, that is your skin type. Then for your skin concerns, what you are really battling, why you are accumulating so many products. So people, there's nothing wrong with their faces. Like, they just need to like maintain, but they have all the products in this world, because why not? They have money. And why not? Because somebody has said so. Okay, so you know your skin concern. It could be hyperpigmentation, yours could be dehydration or dryness, yours could be melasma, it could be anything. Now that we already put those two out of the way, I know that now you have all the products in the world, but now we are going to simplify your routine. That your 8 to 15 bottles of cleansers, bring them out. Because if you look at some people's stash, you have you can see up to like 3 or 4 normal cleanser, then exfoliating cleanser. They will have a lot. That way you will not even know which is working and which is not working. So because you already know your skin type, it will help you figure the cleansers that are meant for your skin type. If your skin is dry or if it's oily, by now you should be able to know the cleanser that is for your skin type. After that, we'll go to your exfoliating cleansers. If you have an oily or acne prone skin, or if you have acne generally, then I will recommend anything that has salicylic acid in it. And I will tell you to chill with anything that has glycolic acid, because it could worsen your acne and it could be too harsh, especially for open wounds. So salicylic acid, because it penetrates deep into the pores, it cleanses the pores very well. I would even recommend that you have it in form of wash. Yeah, I have an oily and acne prone skin, and I use the salicylic acid wash from Cosrx. You don't have to get that. I'm just trying to use myself as an example of the things I use. And for my normal cleanser, I use the CeraVe foaming cleanser. Those are the 2 cleansers that I use in my routine. That's for cleanser. Let me talk about serum, and I want to talk about morning routine. You know how people always say, oh, get antioxidants, you need antioxidants in your routine. There are lots of antioxidants. Even our popular retinoids, they also function as antioxidants. So be very careful of the one you are picking, because like I always say, please do not use your retinol during the day, especially if you know you're going to be in the sun. Vitamin C, niacinamide are usually recommended for morning routine. So because you already have a lot of products, you have so many things that you use, pick out the ones that you really, really need. Some of you have up to 4 different vitamin C serums. Why? You will not know the one that is working. You will not know the one that is breaking you out. You will not know the one that is making your condition worse. You use a different one on Monday. You use another one on Tuesday. You use the... How will you know the one that is working and the one that is not working? Oh my God. So what I would say in this case is go through the ingredient list, and again, be sure that the one you want to stick with is the one that is meant for your skin type and your skin concerns. I'm saying this because there are variants of vitamin C serums that are not meant for all skin types. For example, in one of my videos, I was talking about the L-ascorbic acid in vitamin C. It oxidizes quickly, so because of that, a lot of people don't know it changes color, and it's not even enough product that changes color. So if you've had it for a while, it's been exposed to air or to heat or to light, it's no longer working, but you might not know. So if you know that yours fall into this category, number one is to first of all pick it out. And some of you in your stash, you have products that have been there for like over 2 years. Those things want to budget. The shelf life is expired because they've been exposed to so many things. So I first of all say that you should remove all of those things too. If you have products that have been in your stash for a very long time but still remaining and you don't want to discard it, clear them out first, remove them, then you stick to the ones that are meant for your skin type. The same thing applies to your moisturizers, the same thing applies to every other skincare product. Then I also want to say that if you found any product that is working for you, stick to it, don't leave it. I'm aware that there are new products every day, and your favorite influencer might say, oh, buy this one, and the following month they are advertising another one. You don't have to use the same thing. You don't have to use the same thing. I will even start by saying that, are you even sure that the person you are watching has your skin type and your skin concerns? Be sure that it's the same. Then, like I was saying before I digressed, you don't have to change your product every market day. You don't have to add to it every market day. Use it. Use the life out of that particular product before, even if you want to change it, at least stick to the one that you know works for you before you start wondering about for another one. And before you pick another one, be sure that is the one that is meant for you. Is the one that is meant for your skin type and your skin concern. So know your skin type and your skin concerns. Those are the basics. Then you do an audit of your skincare routine. You pick out the wheat from the shafts. You separate you separate everything. You know the things that are working, the things that are not working, the things that are probably expired. You take everything out. Then I want to believe now that you have entered a new era. This new era, you stop doing ojukokoro of products. Stop hopping from a product to another product. The new ones that you have now, give them time to work, and this is where patience and consistency comes in. You can't use a product for 2 weeks and expect it to solve all your problems. Okay, so you need to have a lot of patience with your skincare products. Allow them to work. In fact, I want to give Retin-A as an example. There are times that it purges a lot of people's skin, mine inclusive. Before I got a hang of it, it showed me just a little bit of shaggy, but yeah, be patient, that's what I'm trying to say. And be consistent, be kind to your skin, you guys. It is very important because we are quick to dismiss products that are not working after like 2-4 weeks. It will work, oh, but it take time, because like I always say, it is not a quick fix. If you want healthy skincare, it will not promise you 7 days instant glow. It will not promise, but it will work. It takes time, but it's going to work. I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you do not need to buy more skincare products. You only need to figure out how to use the ones that you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel. A lot of people are watching and they are not subscribing. I'm not angry, but please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share if you can. Turn on your post notification so that you'll be the first person to know anytime I drop amazing videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.